Hey guys, we're back with another video. Bruh. Bruh. If y'all even noticed this, the whiskers, look. They move. Here, let me get a closer look. And if I do it with the other whiskers, almost looks like magic. With cats, they're very... Let them bite you, but not hard. Just trying to find something to play with. She usually just sit there and do nothing. That's all. Likes to be a model. Are you mad? Uh-oh. Be gentle. She's right there. What are you doing? Bruh. She likes to explore stuff, so... Watch. Please don't kill me. And do not mess with cats' tails because they will do this. Look, see? They watch. If you grab their tail, they bite you. Watch. Let me do it again. If none of y'all never saw it, see? Doesn't even hurt me, guys. Wasn't even squeezing it. If I did, I would have been. I would have been like that real hard. Look. And you will want, if your cat's mad, just leave her alone. And she got bit by a dog. Yeah. That's why. See, you will want to leave cats' tails alone. Because that's what the dog did. I'm going to go get that dog. I'm going to end up hitting it with my bare hand. I'm going to go, But I like my cat. She is a protector. See, look. She likes to protect her own self. Scare me a little. Do not touch cat's tails. Hi, Gina. Hi. And do not play with cats that much just because they will want to be tired. My cat's like all healthy. Look, if your cat's really mad and she bites hard, I prefer to put gloves, except my cat has bit me before. And look, if I mess with the tail. See, that's what happens if you mess with the tail. But, see, she thinks I'm going to attack her. See, I need to step back a little. Because I think she's getting mad. She's getting up. Like, do something if your cat's like really mad, like get something. He found the chain. He found the chain. Do not put them right there because they will get mad. Do not touch their ears. They will get mad also. But you will want you to put your head a little bit farther. Then they will put your head right there. But do not do this with your cat. Do not, because... She is a protector. Do not pet her right here because I don't want to pet her because I don't want to make her mad. So I'm sorry it was a little end one, but bye guys.